Do you put off getting dental treatments because you just don't have the time? There's a lot of people just like you who think treatments are time-consuming. Dr. Alexander Millman and his experienced caring teams at A&M Dental Arts in Manalapan and AVM Dental Arts in Jersey City offer CEREC, advanced computer technology that allows their patients to get dental treatments in one day. CEREC's superior technology allows Dr. Millman to create custom-fit ceramic crowns and restorations in just one appointment.
When a patient needs a crown, we would ordinarily take an impression of their teeth, send that to the lab, and meanwhile a patient would have a temporary crown. And with this CEREC technology, we can have the crown ready. It's all done in one visit, and you don't have to come back. If the crown has to be redone, that's an extra 5 minutes instead of an extra visit for the patient to come in.
Using high-tech optical 3D imaging, CEREC helps Dr. Millman design and create perfectly fitted custom crowns and restorations while you wait.
We first numb the patient up if necessary, prepare the tooth as we usually do, and instead of taking impression like we normally would, we take shots of the teeth. Those images appear on a screen. The computer gives us a proposal. After I get the proposal, I change it around to make sure it fits that particular individual.
Once a 3D model of your tooth is designed, that computer information is sent to an on-site milling unit, which will create your restoration.
CEREC is a phenomenal machine. It saves patient an extra visit, but it also saves me an extra visit.
I have to tell you, this is the easiest kind of cap you can ever get. I've been coming to him for a couple of years now since he opened this office, and was probably one of the first patients he did here with this kind of cap. My teeth look better and I feel great. And you walk out of here being able to have lunch.
Dr. Alexander Millman and his teams at A&M Dental Arts and AVM Dental Arts provide superior technology, artistic skills, and amazing smiles in just one visit.